Alright, are you tired of having no frags when you get online, or having boxes with overflowing ore? Well, today I have a solution for you. I will be making an automatic smelting system for your furnaces. You will need electricity, so if you don't know how to set it up, I will recommend you to watch my video I made about electricity. Alright, to begin the process, we will need your smelting or your furnace. Doesn't matter, it could be a large furnace, an electrical furnace, or just a normal furnace. I went with the normal furnace because most people will have that. You will need a wire tool and a pipe tool. You will need an electrical branch, storage adapter, and industrial conveyor. Alright, to begin the process, place down your furnace. Place down 2 electrical branches. Wire up the electrical branches from your electrical battery. Power out into this electrical branch. Alright. Next, place a storage adapter on top of the furnace. Place 2 conveyors. Wire up each conveyor. Alright, now place down 2 boxes. Doesn't matter, big or small. Place 2 adapters on top of the boxes. Alright, now time to start wiring. On the adapter, make sure you put industrial out into the first conveyor. From the first conveyor, output into the adapter on top of the furnace. On the furnace adapter, industrial out into the conveyor, second conveyor. On the second conveyor, output it into the second box. Alright, next step. Go to your first conveyor. Hold E and then change item filters. Here you will want to be adding your metal ore, sulfur ore, high quality ore, or wood. For this sake, I'll just put wood. Add your wood, press add, and apply. For your second conveyor, this is going to be where you want your frags to come out. Your metal frags, sulfur frags, HQM, or charcoal. I'll add charcoal. Add and apply. Next, turn them both on. In the first box, add whatever you want to be smelted. Turn it on. And here, it will come in. So that is an easy way on how to make an automatic smelting system in Rust. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.